This is the 5-time pre-everything wig from Nadula Hair, y'all. I want to give a big thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. So it's called the 5 times pre-everything wig because it comes with pre-cut lace, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, it comes with pre-ear tape, and it comes pre-styled. So this wig comes completely customized, ready to wear out of the box. I did go in and do just a few tweaks to the hair because they do have the pre-ear tape here. It literally sits on your hairline. This is a completely glueless install except for the tape right here, but it literally already comes inside. You don't have to use the pre-ear tape if you don't want to, but I feel like it really helps to make sure that this wig is glueless and it lays, and it's so easy to take on and off. These curls are everything. I love this wig in the body wave texture. Mine is 24 inches long. This is so easy to install. If you are sick of the glueless closure wigs right now and you want to try something different, get you a pre-everything frontal wig. You won't be disappointed, okay? So if you would like to see how I installed this wig and all the details on these new pre-everything wigs, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. Let's go ahead and unbox this wig from Nadula Hair. I'm so excited. This is an everything wig. Y'all already know I've been obsessed with glueless closure wigs. So the fact that they are perfecting these glueless frontal wigs, I'm definitely here for it. The packaging on this wig is a little different, y'all. Like, I've never seen it come packaged like this before. We're gonna go ahead and open her up. This is what the wig looks like once you open it up. And the wig did come with this netting around it. Look at the curls on this wig, y'all. So beautiful. Nice and bouncy. It's already pre-styled and ready to wear, y'all. The wig did arrive with extra tape as well as an elastic band to tighten the wig to your head. Here is a close-up of the wig. This is Nadula Hair's 5-time pre-everything wig. It has a pre-cut lace front. It has the pre-ear tape right here. It has pre-bleached knots throughout. It has a pre-plucked hairline, and it is pre-styled, y'all, as you can see. So here's the inside of the cap. Here is the 13 by 4 inch lace frontal. The wig has one wig comb in the back. It has the silicone gripping around the entire inside of the wig cap. And then it also has these adjustable straps here that you can tighten across your head to make the wig fit more secure. Let's go ahead and install this wig, y'all. I went ahead and added the elastic adjustable strap inside of it so that I could sit nice and secure against my hairline. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this wig on now and see what we're working with. I know the lace is gonna look crazy, but I haven't tinted it or anything yet, y'all. So as you can see, these pieces of tape right here, I need to go ahead and remove the bottom part of it. So I'm just gonna press it firmly against my hairline, and then I'm gonna go in and press it here as well, and that is nice and secure on there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. This is so easy to install, y'all. It's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and pin the hair back. And next I'm gonna take my powder. This is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet in the shade 4Y70. I'm gonna take it just with this fluffy brush, and we're gonna go around the hairline and just tint the front of that lace so it just blends in with our skin. Since this is a glueless install, it's really important that you put some kind of color on that lace that matches your skin color, y'all, because otherwise it's gonna look like that baby is just sitting on your head, and we don't want that, okay? I'm gonna keep the middle parting, but I wanna go ahead and straighten it up a bit, so that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm also making the parting a little bit further back as well. Next, I'm going to take my Ebon wax stick and we're going to go around the parting area right here just to get that nice and flat. I'm going to go in with the olive oil spritz around the same parting area. I love using that combination. It's literally undefeated, y'all. Okay. Then I'm going to take my Infinity Pro hot comb, and we're literally just going to use that to get this parting area nice and flat up here. And then don't be afraid to use the back of the hot comb as well if you need to, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer down my parting area. This is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC45. And I'm using this with a MAC 212 brush. So as you can see, the hair is already styled with these curls. So I wanna just break it up a bit and see what we're working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wide tooth comb that they provided, and I'm gonna comb through these curls and see what the hair is looking like. They definitely look effortless, and I love the way that these curls are looking, but I'm probably gonna go in and add just a couple of layers on top. That way we can give this hair a little bit more dimension. I'm also gonna take the brush that they provided, and I'm gonna use that to like just brush through these curls as well, just to give it a really nice and fluffy, voluminous look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take just this front part of the hair here, and then we're going to cut some layers in here. So I'm just gonna cut some face framing layers right here, nothing crazy. It's literally gonna make the hair sit better when it curls. Just a little bit more off of this front area right here. So I'm gonna go back in and just curl this top part of the hair, y'all. So I'm gonna take this Hot Tools curling iron, but I'm gonna use it like it's a curling wand. And I'm gonna take just a couple more pieces and curl that as well. Like I said, the hair is already pre-styled, but I'm just kind of like getting it more together the way that I want it to look. So I'm gonna curl this bottom piece right here. Then we're gonna hit this piece just one more time. There we go, I grabbed it that time. And we're gonna just let it fall like that. And I'm gonna take my hairspray. This is the Sebastian Shaper Plus, and just spray it on the area that we just curled. So now this is what we're working with. To me, that just looks so much better than this. Of course, I'm gonna comb this out once the curls cool a bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on this side, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wide tooth comb, and we're going to just comb through these curls. Okay. Now the hair is literally perfection right here. Like, look at that. Curls are sitting so much better. I'm loving it. It's so soft. My fingers are literally just running through these curls. What do y'all think? Y'all, this wig was so easy to install. I am not used to installing a frontal wig this quick. Like, it's crazy and how good it looks. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not gonna be like super laid like when you glue down your frontal wigs, but for just the everyday, you want to take your wig on and off, this is perfection right here, okay? And if you wanted to glue this down, nobody's stopping you, but you don't have to with this wig, which is what makes it so perfect. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Nadula Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Nadula.